Hey guys, welcome back to your market report update for the Bozeman area. I'm Jessy Gustafson with Bozeman Real Estate Group, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call or send me a quick email. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on these weekly updates. So my information can be found here, Jessy at bozemanrealestate.group, or my phone number is 406-580-8422. So the areas we are talking about is this pocket of southwest Montana that includes Big Sky, Three Forks, Manhattan, Belgrade, Bozeman, and Livingston. So we will get going on the stats for this week. So this week we had 42 new listings, so it's a little bit higher than last week at 34, but we are starting to see that slow down in these fall months coming into winter here, even though it is still beautiful outside. We had 59 price decreases, which is kind of interesting. It was the exact same as last week, and 60 the week before, so that seems to be flatlining there. But with those interest rates going up, they're still pretty high. We had 34 go under contract, so again, just kind of that typical time we see a little bit of a slowdown, whereas, last week was even lower at 32. The number sold was 43, up from 39 last week. So kind of an interesting thing to note. I know these price decreases seem really, really high. People may think it's because the interest rate is rising. But what's interesting is I figured out all the numbers for the past, since 2018, and just did it by month. And what we found is, so this red line is 2022. It's actually on trend with about, 2018, 2019. So it's pretty normal for this to be going on. Maybe we will see it slowing down. We'll see once we keep running the numbers through the end of the year. So I thought it was higher than normal, but turns out it's actually pretty close to being on track. So interesting statistic that I figured out. Let's jump back to some feature properties of the week. So we are going to focus more on the quote-unquote affordable side by now. So we've got 111 South Yellowstone Avenue in Bozeman. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, a little over 1,000 square feet. So what I like about this is just the finishes. They've really updated it nicely. New paint on the walls, new flooring, updated the kitchen, so it is really quite nice. I do like, it is centrally located. The outside does look a little bit dated, but it is a condo. So with condos, the HOA includes making sure the siding and roofing are taken care of, which is great. So another one, we'll pop over to Livingston. So this one is 103 Molly Drive. This is actually a townhouse in Livingston. It's for $439. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 full, 1 3/4 bathrooms, 1,500 square feet. But it is a pretty nice townhouse too. Looking through it, I really, really like these finishes in there. So another one to keep in mind. The last one, we'll jump over to Belgrade now. Look at a single family home. So this is 1014 Paisley. It's listed at $465. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I really like these. They updated the kitchen as well. But great little neighborhood over there. It's close to your schools, but yet you're not directly under the flight path. Close, but not. It won't bother you too much. So, I really do like that area. It's just a little bit more family friendly. So we can briefly touch on the elephant in the room too, but I'm sure you guys have all figured out by now that as these interest rates are going up, the amount you can afford to borrow decreases, and that may mean you have to look at an entirely different price point. So that's why I'm kind of focusing on these lower price point ones. But keep in mind that these higher rates hurt the housing affordability, so rent is also going up. So it just depends on where you want to spend your money. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.